primary focus of this video is to walk you through the installation of the smart water valve to your toilet. The purpose of this valve is to provide a low-cost and effective mechanism to shut down the flow of water to the toilet in the event your toilet malfunctions. As you're aware, these malfunctions in the toilet can cause significant water damage to your commercial or residential properties. Install 2 AAA batteries in your unit as follows. Normal life is 5 to 7 years, and the valve will shut down when the batteries get low. After this is completed, you must determine a preset time for the toilet. For example, if it takes your toilet 45 seconds to fill after a flush, you must set the time that will be in excess of 45 seconds. In this case, position setting 2 on the style gives you approximately 1 minute of continuous flow. So position number 2 is the preset time. The red magnetic latch acts as an on-off switch. When the latch is down, the water is shut off. If you turn the timer to 0, the latch will automatically turn off. This device is installed on the existing supply line valve to the toilet. In new construction, this smart water valve will be the supply line valve. You must examine the existing valve you are connecting to ascertain the applicable parts to use for the proper installation of the smart water valve to the existing valve. The type of existing valve we are viewing is used in 90% of toilet applications. Okay, now we are ready to begin installation. 1. Turn off the flow of water to the existing valve and flush the toilet, thereby emptying the tank. 2. Disconnect the flexible water line that runs to the toilet from the existing valve. 3. Connect the smart water valve to the existing valve. Use the supplied parts and attach the smart water valve. 4. Turn the time dial to 0 and make sure the smart water valve latch is in the off position. 5. Turn on the flow of water to the existing valve. Since the magnetic latch is in the off position, no water will flow to the smart water valve. 6. Now attach the flexible water line that runs to the toilet to the smart water valve and turn the time clock dial to the 2 or 3 position and engage the magnetic latch. The water will now flow and fill the water tank. 7. After the tank fills, flush the toilet again and using a stopwatch, determine how long it takes to fill. If it takes 45 to 50 seconds to fill, position 2 on the timer dial should provide adequate time, including reserve time for double flushes. 9. Now test the time setting to make sure the valve turns off soon enough after a malfunction. For example, create a malfunction by holding down the water flush lever until the smart water valve turns off the water. Make sure you time the event. Assuming you are satisfied with the results, leave the preset time that you established. Installation complete.